World Liberty Financial holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Appreciate all the love. Let's get right in today's update. I'm sure you guys are wondering what is going on with the price. As you guys know, yesterday, so October 7th, was actually a red day for the broader market. It dragged the entire market down with it, but Wlfi coin did end up being impacted a little bit more than some of these coins. I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys. As always, subscribe if you have not done so already. Like the video. Over the last 1 hour, the market is picking up, but again, World Liberty Financial still down about 0.5%. Price currently sitting at 17.63 cents, down 10.4% in USD and Bitcoin comparative, and also down 6.1% in Ethereum comparative. Price 7.6 cents, valuation 4.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $500 million. Before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So USD1, a rapidly growing stablecoin from World Liberty Financial with 2.5 billion plus in circulation, is now live on Aptos, powered by Chainlink's CCIP. Aptos builders and users can now leverage USD1 on-chain payments, leading markets, and other DeFi applications. Even though this announcement was made, the price of World Liberty Financial still did react. But again, it goes unsaid. Dominance did see a sharp increase over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin saw a pullback, quite a significant pullback, to be quite frank with you. So here, let's take a look at Bitcoin. So from October 6th, after hitting an all-time high, we saw a pullback. Actually, let me zoom in a little bit more because I'm getting a little bit too excited. See this for yourself. 126,000, we saw a retracement of about almost 5% for BTC, and that itself is not a small move, guys. 5% pullback for Bitcoin usually does mean double altcoins are going to feel double the pain, but due to the dominance still not as high as it was back in the months of August and June, specifically June and July. Due to that fact, we are still seeing altcoins not being impacted as much. But I think this shakeout was needed for the broader market. These types of flushes do occur in the broader market, even in a bull market. So I think that happened. If you're looking at the leverage positions, you guys know that a big leverage liquidation day yesterday. So that kind of sums it up. But let's take a look at World Liberty Financial. So as I talked to you guys about this key support line at 19.3 cents, such an important level of support. But after this Bitcoin pullback that we're talking about, you saw this thing. Obviously, again, World Liberty Financial is not going to be an exception. We came down to 18 cents, believe it or not. Obviously, we know there is some support. This wick that we retested back on September 25th has been filled. But right after that, the price fell down even. Here, let's take a look. It fell down an additional 5%. So I think there was some big sell order here, or market sell order, which caused the price to pull back down. We wicked down to 17.2 cents, but have picked up a little bit. So I personally think, yes, number one, reacted to the broader market. Number two, I think there was a little bit of more of a sell pressure on top of that because, we fell below the key support line. As I've stated to you guys before, when it comes to new projects, we want to work with the data that we have available. As of now, this is the data that we have available, and we still did not reach our lows for the price of World Liberty Financial, which we saw back on October 4th. Again, that is still a move of about 9% for us to see. Hopefully, we don't see that happening because, of course, I do expect that support to hold, obviously. But hopefully we don't get to that range. We want to see Bitcoin, bouncing up. I personally think, if Bitcoin is able to recover back, dominance pulls down, I think this recovery back up to 19.2 cents key resistance is going to be much quicker than you guys are realizing. We're in a bull market right now. And remember, even though World Liberty Financial might have seen quite a sharp pullback, this is one of the hot projects. And in terms of an opportunity standpoint, in terms of asset rotation, you could see World Liberty Financial getting more of that because again, it is hyped. It has a lot of big announcements coming up, and we haven't really seen the altcoin mania yet. So I think that this is something to be keeping an eye out on. And even me, as you guys know, I'm transparent with you guys. I own zero World Liberty Financial, and I'm thinking of scaling in. As of now, I have not. If I do, of course, I will disclose that to you guys. But again, that's my own personal opinion. That's the money that I'm, willing to afford to lose. Remember, there's a saying, always do your due diligence research when investing into markets. So if you've done your due diligence research and are investing where you can afford to lose, then patience is your number one key to follow. So again, from where we currently are, that is a 9.5% increase back up to where we were, and I personally am projecting this will be much quicker than you think, unless of course we see another whale coming in, to sell, the price. Taking it back down to this key range. So we'll see what happens. Right now, obviously, we're not in the safe zone. As you guys know, the safe zone for Wlfi Financial is at 19.3 cents, but we got to give, Bitcoin a little bit of a chance. If Bitcoin is able to get back up to the 125 range, and dominance, most importantly, is able to make its way back down to this key range around 58.45%, I have no doubt in Wlfi Financial reclaiming back up to this key range. I'll keep you guys covered, of course. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. We'll see you later from Crypto ZX, and peace out.